Hi everyone, so it's Fee Gordon here. So I don't think that I need a bit of an introduction. I'm a Tableau social ambassador, an Ultrix ace, and pretty much I live, breathe, and drink data maybe along the way. So we've got a pretty exciting quiz ahead that's going to be interactive. So we had a speaker pull out, but we thought it'd be a bit of fun to get you all on board and testing your knowledge on Tableau versus each other. So to start with, what I'm going to do is just share my screen. Okay, so can everyone see what's going on now?
Yes, we can.
Perfect, thanks. All right, so to start with, what I need you to do is to grab your mobiles and actually go to menti.com on a browser. We've got some people joining already, that's awesome. So, and you enter the code 159060, submit it. Oh, you need cookies, jeez. I'll try and do this faster. That's right, so we've got lots and lots of different people jumping on, that's awesome. We'll just give a few more people a chance to get on. All right, so I've got a few more people, so I can just see a few things coming along the way. I'll give it a little bit more to actually start. I'm on Sarah's computer at the moment, so I'm not quite sure what I need to do. So we've got a bunch of different people. I wonder if it's a bit interactive. No, it's not. All right. Okay, so the name of the game is it's fastest finger actually wins. And what you're going to see is some questions start to come out. I'll read them out, and then you compete against each other for who wins supreme in terms of Tableau knowledge. So let's get started. So to connect to multiple tables in a single data source at one time, what must be specified? A blend, a join, a calculation, or a hierarchy? Time's up. What have we got? So 10 people got it right. We've got a join must be specified along the way. Let's go to the next question. Ready? We've got the leaderboard. Who was fastest? We've got John at the top, Chris coming in pretty close behind the scenes. All right. Next question. Remember, the fastest person gets there. So Tableau can create worksheet specific filters, true or false? Everyone has voted very fast. We've got some good Tableau people, and everyone got it right. Woohoo! All right. Moving on to the next question. What functions does Tableau enable to help people understand their data? Ready? So show me helps people know which visits are available, color to highlight important differences, size that can change based on measure of value, blending data from multiple sources, blah, 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 all of the above. All right, so a bit of a trick question, all of the above there. 4 people getting that right. On the data tab in desktop, which of the following is not seen? Data sources, sets, analytics, measures, or dimensions? 3 more seconds. Time's up. Analytics. Woohoo! All right. Hope you're all having fun playing at home. or at work, as many of you may be there. Ah, we've got a new person that's leading the way. Let's see what's happening here. Oh no, John's still at the top, my goodness. And Paul was the fastest on the last round coming through. Let's see what's going on. Next up. Which is not a shelf? The columns, the rows, the pages, the filters, or the analytics? Time's up. So we have analytics, that's right. So this is a quiz that might be a lot of fun that you can run with your local Tableau tugs. If you're interested, I can share it all so you can get the answers. It's possible to type directly into the column or row shells if you know the fields that you want to use. Is that true or false? True. Next question, fastest fingers. Excuse me. Latitude and longitude are coordinates, just like any other coordinate points. Latitude indicates how far is one horizontal point is to the other, how far up or down from the equator, how far east or west from the prime meridian, or none of the above. How far up or down from the equator? Good oak. Right. So what's happened in the last round? See how we're all stacking up. And Paul, you're on top all of a sudden. Well done, mate. Okay. Next up, next question. Everyone ready? Measures are usually metrics or numerical data, and dimensions are usually categorical. True or false? And the answer is true. Please choose the correct statement. Continuous pills can be of any color. Discrete pills are green and continuous pills are blue. Discrete pills can be of any color, or discrete pills are blue and continuous pills are green. Time's up. Whatto, we got there. All right, discrete pills are blue and continuous pills are green. We learned a trick a long time ago that was talking about, you can think of continuous being like the hills, the rolling hills. So the hills keep continuing along the way, and that's why they're green. Is it possible to have numeric dimensions to be continuous or convert a measure to discrete? Yes or no? Everyone got it right in there. All right. What's going on the leaderboard now? Bit of a change. John, what's happening along the way, mate? Sliding down that leaderboard. We'll get there through it. So a bit of fun. Paul's a little unicorn at the top. It's a bit like Sarah's talk earlier on. Dates can be brought into the view as either continuous or discrete. Is that true or false? And it is true. That's absolutely right. What do reference lines do? They add a point of reference to a view. They add different variables to a view. They do not do much except for create extra lines on the graph or all of the above. Ah, tough, tough. Split down the middle. What options can you select on the analytics pane? Distribution band, reference line, or all of the above? Congratulations, you all know the analytics pane very, very well. GT, you were the fastest on that round coming through. Very, very interesting along the way. Paul's still topping the leaderboard. Fantastic. Let's see what else we can do. Tableau's premier visualization context is called Iron Quiz, Iron Viz, or Iron Quest. It is Iron Viz, that's right. Which way can you add story points? Dragging a piece of content to add a new point box. We can use the new blank point to add content. Double clicking a piece of content brings it in, or all of the above. Good job, team. All of the above. Which join types are offered in Tableau Desktop? Inner, left or right, full outer, all of the above. Everyone has voted, and the answer is all of the above. Maybe these questions are too easy for all of you Tableau people out there. Heidi's popping up. It's interesting. Got someone else joining through there. Next up. A full outer join of two tables combines all values from both. Null values display when a value from either table doesn't have a match. Is this true or is it false? Time's up. It is true. In the dashboard size area, we have three main options. Which is correct? Fixed size, automatic and range, variable size, automatic and range, fixed size, manual and distance, fixed size, automatic and distance. It is fixed size, automatic and range. For a calculation, how does one define if sum of profit is less than or equal to 10, then not profitable, otherwise profitable? A lot of code there to read. And there we go. So Paul landed on top. That's awesome. I'm just going to take a photo. Congratulations, Paul. We had you in first place. That's awesome news. Lots and lots of points along the way. Really appreciate you playing along there at home, and I hope everyone had some fun. As I mentioned, this is a Menti quiz, and I have all the questions and answers. It's a bit of fun that goes on at TUG. It's a bit easier to hand out prizes along the way as well. So if you want to get access to the questions, please ping me. I'm at VizChick on Twitter, so VIZCHIC, and I can find your email then and send you through the details so you can replicate it quite easily. Thanks very much for joining us for the quiz.